Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It's cafecito time. And today's cafecito time is going to give you the boost you need to get you going for the day. So make sure you stick around. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit the notification button and yeah, we'll get into this video. Hello everyone, my name is Veronica. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today's video, we are going to review a new coffee from Nespresso. Like I said, if you're new here, then welcome. My channel, House of Sid, is about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And today we're going to do a coffee review of a new coffee from Nespresso called Melozio Boost. So Melozio is a popular coffee capsule from Nespresso, but now they're giving you a capsule with a boost. What does a boost mean? It means more caffeine. So according to this, it is 20% more caffeine than the regular coffee capsule, regular Melozio. Melozio is a medium strength blend, a number 6 out of 11. So I'm just going to read you a little bit before we open the box. It says you get the same great taste of the Melozio capsule with an extra boost. Like I said, 20%. Technology is ever evolving, and to create our boost coffees, we've taken the decaffeination process we use in our new direction to add extra caffeine to raise Melozio's caffeine content by 20%. So yeah, I don't know, that sounds a little complicated to me, but they're giving you, according to them, 20% more caffeine, which here it says 20 milligrams of caffeine per capsule. I don't know what the other one is. Oh, and guess what, guys? When you buy these, they're gonna limit you. They're not gonna let you buy a lot of boxes of this. It says limit 2 sleeves per customer, which I bought. So they have the Melozio Boost and Stormio Boost. So I bought 2 of them at a time. I'm only going to do the Melozio review today because with the extra caffeine, yeah, I don't know if I could do the review of both of them together. I'm not super sensitive to caffeine, but I have my limits. So yeah, we're just going to do one at a time. So if you're not familiar with Melozio, it's a harmonious blend of Latin American Arabicas with cereal notes and honeyed sweetness enhanced with natural coffee extracts. According to this, it says aromatic profile smooth and balanced. Aromatic notes is biscuity and cereal. So I like Melozio. Melozio has always been like a fave, just a good medium coffee. But let's see what this boost is all about. So this is what the box looks like. You know, it's a little bit different than the normal boxes. Has a little bit of a gradient here. And this is $13. So you get 10 capsules for $13. Okay, nice. Let's see. The capsule is, color-wise, I have a Melozio decaf, which in case you didn't know, they make it in decaf. So color-wise, it's about the same, but this one has like a little, I don't know, maybe you could call it a little starburst design on the top. You guys see that? And the regular Melozio is just the solid color, and the decaf Melozio has the red line. So there you go. They're giving you more options in your coffee. So let's brew it. Let's see what this is all about. I'm actually a little nervous. Like I said, I'm not super sensitive to caffeine, but 20% more. Let's see. And this is, your standard 7.7, almost 8 ounces of coffee. So definitely would not recommend drinking this late. It is about, what time is it? It is about 1 o'clock when I'm recording this video. So not too late, not too early. Probably would not recommend drinking this in the evening. This is definitely morning coffee. You need your extra boost for the day, get you going. There's definitely days where I think I need an extra boost. Okay, it smells pretty good. Let me get some creamer. I'm gonna try it black and then with some creamer. So hold on. So let me know if you have tried the Boost. Melozio Boost is new. I believe they introduced these maybe a couple months ago, and then they went away because I know some people talked about it, or I don't know if it was one of those things where select people got to try it early and then they released it. I've been out of the loop. You guys know that. But anyways, they are now available on the Nespresso website. They are new. If you've tried them already, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like them or if you don't like them. We shall see. Okay. So let's try it. So that's what it looks like. You know, typical Nespresso coffee, thick crema foam on the top. I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. So I don't know if it's gonna taste significantly stronger or it's just going to affect you, you know, because of the extra caffeine. Okay, that's good. Hold on. Okay, I don't necessarily taste it as stronger coffee. It tastes, you know, what it should taste like. Not too bitter. Okay, let's add some. I typically just use half and half. You could add flavor or whatever you want to it. I'm just gonna add some half and half here. And this is typically what I would drink every day when I go to work. I make a coffee capsule, add my half and half to it. I don't add sugar. Sometimes I'll add flavored creamer if I have it, but that's basically my daily coffee is, you know, some sort of 7.7 ounce capsule with my half and half, and I'm off to work. Yeah, it's okay. Honestly, I don't taste, it says it tastes the same as Melozio. I haven't had Melozio in a while, so I kind of forgot what it tastes like, but it just tastes okay, normal. Like I said, taste-wise, I don't really see a huge difference. Caffeine-wise, how it's going to affect me, I'll let you know later. Yeah, it's good. I mean, if you like Melozio, try the Boost if you want the extra caffeine. If you don't want the extra caffeine, try the Melozio decaf. Yeah, I haven't done any reviews on any of the new decaf coffees. Let me know if you would like to see a review on the decaf coffees, because I've never been a fan of decaf coffee until I tried the Nespresso decafs. They really taste good. In the past, the decaf coffees I've had have been like, yuck. They don't taste good. I mean, I could really taste the difference from regular coffee to decaf coffee, but with the Nespresso decafs, previously, not this one, I haven't tried this one, but like the original decaf coffees and half calf coffees that you get in like the sample Nespresso coffees that you get when you buy the machine, those were good. I was actually very impressed. I've given them to people, not telling them it was decaf, and they liked it. So there you go. So yeah, let me know if you've tried the Melozio Boost, and let me know if you liked it. My opinion is it's good. Flavor wise, it's just okay. It's not awful. It's not the best I've had. It's just okay. So honestly, I would just drink this because I wanted the caffeine boost, not because I love the flavor of it. It's fine. Again, I would probably not drink this every single day. If I wake up one day extra tired or groggy, or you know, knowing I'm already gonna have a bad day, I would definitely try one of these. I will do a separate review on the strong milk because, like I said, doing them both together with the extra caffeine, although I'm not super sensitive to caffeine, I just don't want to make myself sick. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're excited about having a coffee with extra caffeine. Is that something you're interested in? Is it something that you don't really care about? Are you looking to drink more caffeine with your coffee, less caffeine? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget, I have a giveaway for my 3-year anniversary. So if you want to enter, you have to subscribe, you have to turn on the notifications, and you have to leave me a comment. The 3 prizes, I'll show you really quickly. First prize is a Starbucks Pretty Iridescent Studded Tumbler. If you want to win this, leave me your comment for this video and then add giveaway Starbucks. If you want to win the Nespresso Anchiara Ferragani Nomad Tumbler, which looks like this. This one's mine that I use every day. If you want to win this, then leave me your comment and add giveaway Nespresso. And the 3rd prize is original line Nespresso and Joanna Ortiz Advent Calendar. I know. It's a few months after the holidays, but who doesn't like a variety of coffee samplers and a cute little mug? So if you want to win this, leave me your comment with giveaway original, giveaway Starbucks, giveaway Nespresso, giveaway original. I'm going to select randomly from my videos in the month of March. So make sure you leave comments on all my videos this month, and yeah, I'll announce the winner towards the end of the month. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give these videos a thumbs up if you enjoy them, share them with your friends and family, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.